Hello friends, and welcome to my post-holiday stress. I feel like everything must go. Everything has to get out of my house. I'm about ready to throw everything away. I saw something the other day on like TikTok or Instagram that said the millennial urge to get rid of everything right after Christmas, and that's exactly how I feel right now. So we're gonna go ahead and organize everything. If you hear me sounding awful, it's because we've been kind of trading sickness in our house the last couple days, and I feel like I have exactly one more day before I get re-sick again. I just feel it coming back. So that's why I sound like this. I hope all of you are doing well, and I hope all of you are healthy. Let's get to organizing before I absolutely lose my mind. So I'm gonna start with Christmas because I feel like that's what I have the most out right now, and I feel like I have more of it, so I feel like that needs a little bit more organizing and a little bit more space. I've already got this tote of ornament and tree skirts, and what I'm going to do is just number everything, and I have an Excel sheet started. So as I'm working through all of my totes, I'm putting everything that's in the tote in my spreadsheet, and they're all gonna have a number on them. Do I have space to put the village? Yeah, okay. I think one tote just devoted to all of my garlands is probably good. I just don't want to mess any of them up. They're so fragile. Maybe not. They're so big. Garland. And then, can I fit anything else in here? Ooh, yes. Okay, so garland, and then pillow covers and Christmas towels, because garland can get squished. I just don't want the bottom one to get like messed up. Those Christmas trees, probably fit the train. So this will be like mantle decor as well. Anything else that I feel like will have an issue. Box 3, candle holder, large. I'm never gonna remember what that means, but at least it's there. We know for now what it means. The train, and then small brown Christmas trees. Very gingerbready. These will be in the fall, so I'll put those with the fall stuff. I think this is my box for this one. Can I fit my trees in here? Probably not. I think I'll end up squishing something. Oh! Extra trees. Can't forget about the trees. Done. Okay. This is going to be box number 3, if I can find the lid. And bells. This might be a little reckless, but I'm just gonna put the remaining 6 Christmas Village pieces in here. I'm not wrapping them or anything because I don't really have anything to wrap them in right now. So I'm going to wish them well on their journey with each other. Separate them by some foam. Some of them are already pretty fragile and breaking. The only thing that's going on top of here is a Christmas Village box, so we'll see how it holds up. See, already breaking. Yep, so bad. All right, and this is just miscellaneous Christmas. More trees. More trees. I'll put my gingerbread men in here as well. A little cushion for the tops. I don't know if I ever showed this. It's a cute little snowman trinket dish that I got at a thrift store this past year. So I think it's really cute. I didn't really do much with it this year, but we'll see what we can work with next year for it. Is this everything Christmas? Found all of my bows, finally. Got those. And then these were actually a Christmas gift from Jared's grandma and mom. I hung them up, but I didn't show them because obviously we got them after I decorated for Christmas. Excited to hang these up next year. I guess my other snowman, because that's everything Christmas. That wasn't awful. Oh, hangers. My lifesavers. I'll drop those in there too. Box number 4. Box number 4. Throw pillows. Sweet. I think that's Christmas. I think that's it. Actually, I lie. I see 2 other things. There we go. That's that. I was looking in the closet and I was like, there's light bulbs. I wonder if they just don't have the pull string. Moving on. To wrap up the Christmas side, I have stockings and hangers, I have fluff for the Christmas village, I have additional bulb ornaments, then I have all the specialty ornaments that we've collected over the years, and I included my son's holiday books on this side as well. This is the Christmas side. Alright, we have pumpkins. One of my favorite pieces from Halloween. Jared got me this. I love it. So those are all going in there. It's so awkward to store these pumpkins because they don't quite all fit in one tote. So I have 2 totes of pumpkins, I believe. And I'm going to be adding to it next year. I feel like I can fit some more in here. I just don't really know what. I'm here for the consolidation of bins. I have yet to use these. I don't remember where I bought them. Oh, Warehouse 55. I know I got them specifically for Halloween time and I just have not used them yet. Next year, I need to figure out what to do with these and a place to, oh, I could put them in the Nook with some black candles. Remind me of this in October. Self. Yeah, I can probably just consolidate all of this. I bought this specifically for the ghost. I don't really care about those flowers. And then this guy, he'll smush. I don't want him to smush. And he's gonna be shelved, I think. Or maybe he'll sit with the florals. I know it seems a little silly to move things from one bin to the other, but I feel like I could probably use that big bin storage for something else. I'm going to try to consolidate my florals and my fabrics into one here. I need to figure out something to do with these lace fabrics because I got them at a garage sale for $5 and I don't know what to do with them yet. This was, I think, a Big Lots purchase. And then RIP to Joann's fabric. I got this at Joann's. But I also got this gorgeous material from Joann's. I think I'm gonna use it for my room, to make something for my room whenever I get to that DIY. It's so pretty. I thought it was more orange than it is. It's definitely more like red. But it's beautiful. It's like a metallic shimmer fabric. I think I have 2 yards of this. Oh my god, there's more garland in here. How is there so much garland in here? Okay, florals, greenery. Maybe I can go ahead and start doing things for spring. I think January to March is like Midwesterners hoping for spring. Please be spring early. Please get rid of this winter. I'm tired of winter. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. So I'm just gonna decorate for spring. I think that's what we're gonna do. I don't know that I'm ever going to use those. I know why I bought them. I just don't know if I'm going to ever use them. Don't want to use any reds. I'll use some green. I'll definitely use some green. This is very fall. I'll use orange. Winter, winter, winter. Do I want to throw away this garland? The answer is probably yes. Baby's breath, we'll use that. I do think I want to get rid of this garland. I don't think I'm going to need it for anything, but I want to keep my little puffs of white. We can use that for winter next year. Maybe we can put this in our other garland that we now know how to hang up. I think this and my twigs are trash. I had cut this to size for my other mantle. I don't know, kind of just a mess. I can't imagine what I'd possibly use it for. What could I use these for? I mean, what if we just keep them, right? There's no harm in keeping them. Okay, we'll keep the dead twigs. We'll keep the dead twigs. And if I don't use them next year, then I will donate them or trash them. Holding on to them for another year now that I know that I have them seems like a good thing to do. Seems responsible. That's pretty. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna use the orange. Do I want to do pinks? I mean, that would be... Nah, I'm gonna do this. I wish it was spring. These were on sale, so why not buy them florals? And this is why we're on a budget this year. Anyway, off they go. Wrapping paper, ribbons, bags. I have more ribbon than I know what to do with now. So that is all stuffed in here. I think I can kind of just like slide in right here. Probably. Maybe. Again, more ribbon than I know what to do with. There we go. It fit. Oh, plenty of room. I don't think I really have anything else. I think that covers Christmas and Halloween. Yeah. When do we get this much stuff? I have no idea. Feels good to have all of that sorted. Look at my sweet Chew. A happy boy. This is his camp bow wow certificate from his first day he ever went to camp. Big smiles. Oh my goodness, I think this is it. Couple of things that I just couldn't put in boxes, and what really upsets me is that I was trying very hard to get rid of all the brown boxes, so that we're not living out of brown boxes for several years. But I have a feeling that most of the 3 brown boxes are going to either end up getting used this year or getting donated next year. And then I added these 2 totes. This is just like memories and cards and stuff. I actually go through my cards like once every year, so if you write me a card, it goes in that box. And then the other one is like other mementos. I found a few other Christmas items, so I went ahead and just kind of loosely put them in there because I don't have any more room for boxes or any more room in my boxes. So that is the Christmas side. And then my little section in the middle here with the Christmas tree, our doormats, our wreaths that I need to figure out what to do with, and then my scarecrow, who has spooked me more than one time, more than a few times to be completely honest. There are a few little bowls and holders that I really don't know what to do with. I'm gonna bring them upstairs to see what I'm gonna use for styling in the Nook, and then all of that stuff needs to go into my office. But I'm going to vacuum again, and we're gonna just look at an empty room together because it's gonna be fun. I definitely need to wash the bed and like make the bed, but we don't really use it until guests come, which isn't gonna be for a while. But look how clean. Like, that's so good. It feels so much better to have everything, have a place, have it all labeled, put in the closet. Now the other part of the basement, it does look like a hot mess. We're gonna get to that soon. We'll get to that tomorrow, I think, if I feel okay. Anyway, we're gonna take this win. It feels really good to have everything, have a place, have it all labeled, know exactly what I have for next year. Let's move on to the other half of the basement. Oh, there's so much glitter in here. I spent some time bringing up miscellaneous items to the garage and to my office, and then I had these Swiffer wood floor pads from about a year ago, so I figured I would just mop with these. Anyway, this is what the basement looked like before I started organizing. I really did just have everything all over this space, but this is what it looks like now. And I think I'm gonna turn this little corner into a gym space for my bike and a few weights that we have. But for now, I'm happy to just have this clear and free of all of the boxes. I've never been particularly good at styling, but I'm going to try to style these shelves. The idea that I'm going for is have it out for Mardi Gras, but then be able to just remove the Mardi Gras beads that I'm going to use and have that for the springtime so that I don't have to try to figure out another way to restyle them after Mardi Gras is over. I don't really have a ton of things to style, so I'm going to work with what I have currently. You may notice that the door is missing. I put this up as soon as I took down the Christmas village. I love having this lamp on the tray, and it's super easy to turn on and off. I have a very bright bulb in there. I've really enjoyed having this extra light here. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and put this little arrangement that I made probably just on the other side. I also have to keep in mind that I'm working with little hands, so I don't want too many things that he can reach here because he does like to visit this very frequently. And then I think maybe like my book back here. My mom sent me a Mardi Gras bean sometime, I think last year or the year before. So I think I want to use that here on the shelf. I have this white bowl that I thrifted that I've been waiting to put on the shelf. I thrifted it specifically for these shelves. And so maybe, I actually do really like that. I think I'm in the camp of if he grabs it, he grabs it, and then it just isn't decor for this year. I should have a way for it to stay up. That looked just randomly placed. Kind of. Jared picked this up for me as a stocking stuffer, so I think it'll look good maybe like right here. Yeah, that's cute. Maybe this can be like a middle centerpiece. What to put here? That's cute. Oh wait, I actually really love this. Okay, I'm gonna put some family photos in this after I show you, but let me show you how this all looks. Please ignore the fact that it is missing a door right now. That's toddler related, and I have to figure out how to put that back on. Alright, that is everything that I have for today's video. Thank you for cleaning and organizing with me, and then getting this ready for Mardi Gras and springtime. Honestly, whenever Mardi Gras is over, I'm just pulling these down and putting them away, and I'm calling it styled from there. I'm happy with what I have up here. I might end up putting some like Easter or something up here, but we'll cross that bridge whenever we get to it. The next video that I post is going to be a bathroom makeover, so don't forget to subscribe and follow along, and I'll see you in another video really soon. Bye guys!